In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to boost sales for Squarespace. We're going to set up a simple automation that reacts whenever a new order arrives in your Squarespace store and then uses ChatGPT to draft a polished email you can send to your customer. Great for post-purchase thank yous, cross-sells, or requests for reviews. We'll build this with Zapier, which connects apps together without code. Start by heading to your Zapier home screen. From there, click Create. This opens up your workspace for building a new workflow. Choose Zaps so we can build a step-by-step automation that runs in the background for you. In the editor, begin at the trigger panel. The trigger is what starts everything. Click Trigger to set the app that will watch for new activity. In the app search box, type Squarespace. You'll notice two related options appear, Squarespace Forms and Squarespace Commerce. Go ahead and click Squarespace Forms so you can see that it's available for form-based automations. For our sales workflow, we want to react to orders, so next select Squarespace Commerce. That tells Zapier to listen to your store rather than your site's forms. Now choose a trigger event. Click the trigger event field, then open, choose an event, and select New Order. This means every time someone places an order in your Squarespace store, Zapier will capture the details and pass them along to the next step. Next, connect your Squarespace Commerce account. Click Account, then connect Squarespace Commerce. Sign in and follow the prompts to authorize Zapier. Make sure you grant access to the correct site if you manage more than one, and use an account with the right permissions. When the connection succeeds, you're ready to pair this trigger with an action. With the trigger set, move to the Action panel. The action is what Zapier will do after it detects a new order. Click Action to add your follow-up step. In the app search box, type ChatGPT and choose ChatGPT OpenAI. This tells Zapier we want ChatGPT to generate content based on the order information coming from Squarespace. Now pick what you want ChatGPT to do. Click the Action Event field, open Choose an Event, and select Write an Email. This is ideal for creating personalized messages such as thank you notes, tailored product recommendations, or requests for a review, all informed by the customer's recent purchase. Connect your ChatGPT account next. Click Account, then connect ChatGPT, OpenAI, and sign in. Approve access so Zapier can send prompts and receive AI-generated text on your behalf. Keep your credentials secure and avoid sharing keys or login details in any public places. At this point, the workflow is shaped like this. Squarespace Commerce detects a new order, and ChatGPT drafts an email using that order context. The beauty of this setup is that it can dynamically reference details like items purchased, order totals, or shipping methods to craft messages that feel tailored rather than generic. It's a powerful way to boost post-purchase engagement and encourage repeat business without adding manual work to your day. Before wrapping, click back on the Squarespace Commerce section in the editor to confirm it's selected as the trigger source. A quick review helps ensure the trigger is tied to the right store and the right event. If you handle multiple sites or environments, this small check prevents confusion later. A few tips as you fine-tune this flow. Think about the tone of voice you want in your emails, friendly, expert, or concierge style, and the single outcome each message should drive, like a product upsell or a review request. Clear goals help ChatGPT write more focused copy. Also, consider timing and content relevance. Acknowledging the exact product someone just bought makes cross-sells feel helpful rather than pushy. That's it for the core setup. You've linked Squarespace Commerce as the trigger and ChatGPT as the writer, creating an automated path from new order to ready to send email. This foundation can save time, personalize your outreach at scale, and ultimately help boost your Squarespace sales.